Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, let's jump into our project. Well, there's something that I forgot to tell you. One of them was actually let's add a status to the each note, each to do, because we are going to change this as soon as the user clicks on tick or done or something like that. Okay, that's it. Let's also add this dude which is getting added. Okay, but for now, I don't like this way. I don't like this way just statically getting it here. Well, actually we are going to still statically getting it here, but I would like to make this accessible through a whole project. Through a whole project, I would like to add this everywhere. Actually be able to use it everywhere. I'm going to make this accessible everywhere in our project. So how can I do this? Well, okay, let's go to the documentation. Asphalt actually provides us with something really nice called writables or asset management tool in Asphalt. Let me find it. Okay, that's it. This is the best magic of Asphalt. As I showed you, React takes really big effort to do the same thing, and that's really annoying. That's really cool. You just can do the same thing with this world with few lines of code. Super simple. Okay, let's go on. I would like to build a file here to make this actually for building a writable. We need to make a file for our writables, but I would like to make a folder for stores and make a file called todos for our store. Okay, we need to make this a JavaScript hero file. That's it. Okay, let's go. Let actually todos equal writable, and I need to import it from here, and in this place I can set the initial values. That for now I'm going to cut this to here. Everything is working. Yes. So for now I got my to-dos in a store file, or actually a to-dos file in our stores folder, and we can access it to everywhere in our project. Let's see how it works. I'm going to clean the code a little bit up, and let's see how can I access this. I can access it super simple using a variable, using actually a function which returns another function which is called unsubscribe. Well, let's do this. Let's add an underline to this variable here so we don't mess with the name here, okay? Because we're going to import that from there. I'm going to say todos. Okay, actually I want to import the guy from here. Probably I need to check it. Looks no. I'm going to import it to those directly from where? Slash stores on store.js. Super simple. Okay. One note that I forgot is to export these to-dos from here. Okay, you need to add this export to make it accessible through other files. Super simple. Now, how can I do this? I'm going to subscribe to this guy's actual value, and how will this subscribe will work? I need to get it here. This is super simple. It gives you a value, and you can use this value to use local reactivity in your file and access the value of the actual main to-dos in here. Okay, value, and we are using it this way. So I can do this like this. HTTPs because we just got all the values of these studios here, and anytime, anywhere, in any other component, we change the value of these studios. Okay, using the things that we learn soon. This will be invoked and the value will change here. Okay, super simple. Okay, and now I'm going to use these studios to send it through here. Okay, because that will be not work. Check it out here. Has to work, but there's a problem here. Oh. There's a problem here, and that's it. We need to specify the name for the value. Okay, things are all done and all perfect. Okay, now we will probably run into a problem. But weirdly, we did not run into a problem. Why? Because I have been expecting the to-do delete function. Okay, which we'll invoke it from here. Okay, one note actually. This delete function removes it from the local. Actually, from this, where is the main one? It's going to remove the value from this underlying attributes and not from the main attributes in here. That's what I want. Okay, this is not what's happening. Is not what I want. That's why I'm going to build a remove function. I'm going to actually copy this from here. At the end of this here. I'm going to copy this from here. Okay, and what will I do? I'm going to build a function using the old way of using function. Remove to do, which will be accessed globally. I'm going to send an ID here to going to get this here, but this is not how we are going to do this. Use dot update, and the value is going to access through here. Super simple. The value is going to be filtered through this way. Super simple. So how did we change the value of this item? Very easy. Super simple. We have used a function called update. We got the default value, and we can change this, and whatever is returned here is going to be set as a new value of the value. I can use a return here, but that's not necessary. So we have this done, and now I'm going to use this remove to function. Where do I going to use this? I'm going to use it right here. I'm not going to need any more dispatching, and super simple here. I'm going to call that function how remove to do. Okay, it's asking me to import it. I'm going to import it. Okay, I have to import it manually. Import remove to do from source to build.js. Okay, and I probably have to export that guy too. Okay, super simple. You just export it, and it has already all done. But we need to send an ID here too. Well, you use that as a reference here to check which one to share. Well, I'm going to remove this because we don't need this, we don't need that either. Item.id is going to be sent through here. It's super simple. It has to be totally operational right now. And I believe I essentially deleted something unnecessary. Okay. Let's see if we have error or something. Okay, for now everything looks fine and it's working. It's super simply working. And consider one fact that I'm not calling this dude. This is not even called. I can delete it, and that's not going to be called. And we have a to-do list here. This one is actually this could be removed too, because we are using only and only our right. Okay, super simple, very simple. And now I'm going to also add another method to add something through this. Okay, I'm going to export a function, add to do super sorry, item is going to be sent through here, and here I'm going to say to do's update value is. Now I'm going to return actually value. However, I'm not going to do this. What the hell? Value and item could be added here. Okay, and now I can use this add to do item, add to the function to actually add items to our to-do list. Now, where did I use this item? Use this function? I used it here. Well, I'm going to cut this function from here. This is not going to work. This is really stupid. And now I'm going to import another function from that part. And I'm going to remove this one too. Add to do. I need to copy this, paste this item here. It is supposed to work. Let's go check it out. Super simple, it's working and everything is working perfectly. Well, I can add a functionality to this add button here to simply toggle it as soon as. However, one other thing that actually we need to check out is that we cannot use this one too. We can directly use this add to do here in this part. But anyway, let this beautiful add to do dispatcher be here and let's use this. Okay guys, it seems like things are already okay. We'll have some more in-depth things with writables and state management in actual slots, and then we will probably move to routing and things like that. Goodbye till next video.